CIOs are all faced with a common dilemma at some point in time. Do you keep adding quote-unquote best-of-breed solutions into your technology stack? Or should you unify on a single platform? Best-of-breed point solutions sound good in theory, but in practice, more often create integration and maintenance headaches, siloed data, and rising costs. The IT team ends up maintaining systems instead of driving and delivering strategy. A single enterprise platform brings finance, item management, procurement, inventory, customer data, and analytics together in one place. That means faster decision-making, better personalization, and lower IT overhead. At Jesta IS, we help the CIO simplify their IT stack so they can focus on growth, not maintenance. Want to see what this could look like for your business? Book a free client discovery session today.